Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at how you can find information about things that were released in earlier versions of Photoshop, Illustrator and also Adobe InDesign. Now I had a question today which is where the brush presets in Adobe Photoshop first started to allow you to save color. I needed that for a video that I'm prepping. So what I did was I came over here to the Adobe support community where James Wamser has provided three really handy files. These are the updates to Adobe InDesign from 1.0 to CC. He's also looked at Adobe Photoshop from CS to CC and Adobe Illustrator from CS6 to CC. So if you need to know when something was added or changed in any of those applications, these are the files that you need. I just downloaded the two that I want, which is Photoshop and Illustrator. So let's just have a quick look at the Photoshop one. So this document is 119 pages long and it goes through each of the versions. So this is CS all the way through to Photoshop 2023 and it goes through all the changes in them. So what I needed to know was information about brush presets. So I just typed the word preset in here because I thought that that might be a quicker way of finding it, and I just clicked. So in all of your PDF readers you're going to have some sort of search feature, and so I just went through just checking this until I found the information that I needed, and I discovered that it was in Photoshop CC, the 2018 release, that you were first able to save brush presets with opacity, flow, blend mode and color. And so there's the answer, as simple as downloading a file and doing a quick search. So if you're a teacher, a YouTuber, or somebody who's in support, or you help people that might have different versions of Photoshop and they're asking why isn't this in my version, or is it going to be available in my version, and if you don't have that version to be able to check, then these files are going to be really helpful to you. Thank you so much to James Wamser who put the file together. It really is an amazing resource. In the description below I'll put a link to the download area so that you can go and grab these files for yourself. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.